Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, you have a great technology idea, but your budget is a little tight. No problem, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to figure out how to build your dream team without emptying your bank account.
Just imagine this. You have a brilliant, mind-blowing app idea. Fantastic. Now you need to hire developers. But then you see the salaries. And wow, it's such a shock. This is a very, very common problem for founders. So what to do?
Okay, so here's our game plan for today. First, we'll talk about the big software problem. Then, we'll look at India, the world's tech engine. After that, we'll check out the team next door, the nearshore option. Then we'll put them head-to-head. And finally, we will figure out what is right for you. Simple, right? Let's go.
All right, first up, your big software problem. This is all about finding your perfect global tech team.
And the solution, my friends, is actually very simple. IT outsourcing. But now the real question comes up. Where in the world should you look? It's a big planet, after all.
Okay, on to section 2. Let's talk about India, the world's tech engine. And believe me, when we say it's the king of offshore development, we absolutely mean it.
First things first, just look at this number. 2.55 million. That's almost 26 lakh new tech-savvy people graduating every single year in India. Can you even imagine? That is a massive talent pool. And now for the big one, the cost. We're talking 60 to 80% savings compared to hiring in, say, the US. That is a huge amount of money. It's a total game changer. And honestly, it's one of the biggest reasons so many companies look to India.
So yeah, it's not even a debate anymore. India is the #1 offshore development destination in the world. Full stop. And this isn't something new. Okay, the big guys, Google, Microsoft, all of them, they have huge teams here and have had for years.
Now look at this chart. It puts things into perspective, right? China's at #1, but look at India, a very strong #2. And we're producing more than 3 times the number of tech graduates as the USA. That just shows you the sheer scale we are talking about here.
So, to sum it up, why is India the top choice? Well, it's the whole package, isn't it? You get a giant pool of skilled people, you save a lot of money, and the industry is super mature and successful. Plus, the time zone can actually be an advantage for 24/7 work, and of course, English skills are very strong.
All right, moving on to section 3, let's talk about the other option, nearshore, the team next door. This is all about staying a bit closer to home.
So what is this nearshore funda? It's very simple, actually. You're just outsourcing to a country that's nearby in a similar time zone. For companies in America, for example, this usually means places in Latin America, like Mexico or Brazil. Think of it like this. Offshore is like a long-distance relationship, but nearshore, that's like your team is just in the next city.
Now, the cost savings are still really good, about 40 to 60%. Not as much as India maybe, but still very significant. But the real magic of nearshore, the biggest benefit, is this: real-time collaboration. Your team is working at the same time as you are.
So, why would you choose this? Well, it's all about that real-time teamwork. Because you're in the same time zone, you can have daily meetings, solve problems together on the spot. No waiting. Plus, the culture is often more similar, and it's much easier to just hop on a plane for a quick meeting. This is perfect for those fast-moving projects, you know?
Okay, section 4. Time for the big showdown. Offshore versus nearshore. Let's put them side by side and see what's what.
This table makes it super clear, doesn't it? Look, with offshore in India, the cost saving is maximum, but the time zone overlap is very small, maybe an hour or 2, so communication can be a bit delayed. With nearshore, savings are a bit less, but look at the time zone overlap. It's almost a full workday. Communication is real time. It's a direct trade-off.
So at the end of the day, it all comes down to this one simple choice. Do you want maximum cost savings? Go offshore. Do you want real-time teamwork? Go nearshore. That's the main trade-off, really. Money versus collaboration time.
And finally, section 5. Let's figure out what is right for you. We'll make this very simple.
Okay, so you should choose nearshore if you need to work very closely with your team every day, or if your project requirements are always changing. You know how startups are. If you really value that real-time talk and you want your team to feel like they are just in the next room, then nearshore is your answer, especially if you're building your first product.
And you should choose offshore if your #1 priority is saving money, maximum cost reduction.
It's also the best option if your project plan is totally fixed and clear, no surprises. If you're building a really big team or you're doing something like system maintenance or testing, then offshore is definitely the most efficient way to go.
And you know, the most wonderful thing is that today, distance doesn't matter. Technology has made the world so small. Your next superstar employee could be anywhere. Really, your dream team is out there waiting for you, whether they're next door or across the world.
So we have covered a lot today, haven't we? If you are interested and want to go deeper and read all the full reports and articles we used, you can absolutely do that.
All you have to do is please click on the link given below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was useful for you.